Welcome to Bionic BoB Crypto. If you guys want to know the truth about the cryptocurrency market from a real investor, not from somebody out here just pumping stuff up and telling you all kinds of fake news, this is the right channel for you. I've been in crypto over the last 4 years, and I want to share my journey from a real investor, from a real trader just like you guys, and help us all to make money. If you guys are interested in that, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also share it. I do live streams every night also at midnight Eastern time. So you guys know why I'm making this video. It is crazy out here. This is what we signed up for when we signed up for crypto, ladies and gentlemen. $10,000 swings. It is incredible. Right now the time is 12:47 p.m. and it is May 19th 2021 at the time that I'm making this video, and I had to get this video out because I wanted to talk to you guys about the market and how I'm handling it. Okay, now remember, this is not financial advice, so make sure you guys do your own research. You could lose it all, as you guys are seeing right now, but I can't even get my eyes off this chart right now on Bitcoin by itself. Bitcoin, in a matter of just a few hours, dipped to $30,000, and right now we're all the way back up. We just touched $42,000. I'm talking about $12,000 swings. What is going on here? This is crazy. So this is FUD at its best. If you guys don't know what FUD is, if you're new in the crypto market, these swings, man, we experienced tons of these, way worse swings than these when we were going through that last bull market cycle of 2017 2018. I went through that, saw all that, and then also went through all of crypto winter over the last 3 years before this bull market cycle started. So the question is, what am I doing right now? Well, what I'm doing, and not financial advice, is I'm buying the dip flat out. Okay, I'm buying the dip. I believe in the market. I believe in cryptocurrency. I believe that there's too much money being printed. And I believe that all this FUD is so people can really buy back at cheaper prices. This is the big guys taking profit, okay, using that FUD to their advantage, and the prices are dropping. Paper hands out there, newbies to the game, they're selling, okay? And those same newbies are the ones that bought at the top and now are selling at the bottom, and they're gonna FOMO in again. You see it right here on the chart. This is what you call FOMO right here. You see this candles like this? This is fear of missing out, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, when an asset drops to 30,000 and then it's pumping back up and seeing 42,000. Look at my diamond lines here. Make sure you guys subscribe to the video and like the video. Okay, so let's get into the market cap right now. So the market cap, oh my goodness. And we have bounced. The market cap right now is $1.7 trillion right now as we speak. Okay, Bitcoin back up to $40,000 just about. We hit $42,000. So what is going on in the market? Listen, no one, and I don't care what channel it is, I don't care who you're listening to, who you're not, no one can call the top, no one can call the bottom. No one on YouTube knows anything about what is going to happen in the market. Okay, so having said that, you're like, well, Bob, you're on YouTube, you're trying to give us advice, right? Well, that is my advice, that no one knows. Okay, so keep that in mind, number one. Number two, what do we do now? What do we do? If you still believe in the market, if you still believe in what is happening out here, what would you do? You would dollar cost average. What is dollar cost averaging, right? Dollar cost averaging is you spreading out your buys, okay? So if you're coming in with $1,000, you don't come in with the whole $1,000 all at one time, because things like this can happen. Big time sales can happen, right? So we don't want to do that. And look at, I want to go back to the chart real quick. Look at, I know another big one is ADA. Look at ADA, ladies and gentlemen. It is unbelievable what's going on here. Look at these tweezers top bottoms here. We dipped all the way down to $1, and we did hit $1.82. Now, is this like, oh, well, we're Mortimer, we're back? I don't know. This might be Mortimer, we're back. It might be Mortimer, we're a dead cat bouncing, okay? And what does that mean? That's a fake out. That's for big boys to pump this up again. Everybody's FOMOing in, they sell at the top again, and then they buy back in at the bottom. Okay, so let's just be careful out here. Me as an investor, I'm doing what I always do, and that's dollar cost average. Okay, if you see a lot of profit out there, take some of that profit out. Okay, not financial advice. Take some, but this is what I do. I take some of that profit out of at least some of what I put in, and I have that on the sidelines. So then I'm playing with the house's money. Okay, guys, this is very, very important. It's one thing to see paper profits on paper in your account, in your Coinbase or your Binance account. It's another thing to see that money actually in your bank account. Okay, I would be surprised to. I want to know. Leave it in the comments below. How much of profit have you actually seen in your bank account? Okay, how much of the paper profit? Everyone's saying, "Oh, we're rich," but who really gets rich and who really takes that money out and does something with it? Okay. Me personally, I want to take crypto profits and put them into hard assets like real estate, like you might want to build a house, like you might want to buy other assets, diversify. You might want to buy gold. You might want to buy something for your family. You might want to go on vacation or do something. You know, that is what seeing and realizing those profits is all about. Okay, so I want you guys to take that into consideration. This channel was created for us. Okay. This is not a hype channel. This is a channel from an individual that's been in the game for over 4 years and that is sharing their day-to-day experience in crypto. Am I buying? Am I selling? Am I panicking? What am I doing? Well, one thing I'm not doing is panicking right now, okay? Because I know these games. I know these games. I know the games that these whales play. I know the FUD. And note, look at the news. Look at the news, okay, guys? It's very, very obvious, okay? When stuff is going up, all you hear is positive news. Oh, this person, that country, this happened, this happened, this happened. And now that there's a dip, what's the news all about? Oh, there's regulations, institutions are selling, this happened, that happened, it's negative, it's all going to hell. What do you think is going on, ladies and gentlemen, okay? Listen, this market is highly manipulated as well, if you guys didn't know. Okay, bots are doing all of this trading, and when bots go crazy, bots gone wild, this is what happened. This is the type of dips that you get. This is Cardano, this is Bitcoin. This is what happens when bots are trading. Okay, there is a majority of trading happening with bots nowadays. Okay, and that's just the reality of it. Okay, so bots are going to follow that trend. You know, they're going to want to get out. They don't have emotions. Okay, they don't have diamond hands. They're like tissue paper, you know, and not even the good one. It's the tissue like the dollar store one, the real weak dollar store. It's not even close to shining, my man. So listen, I wanted to make this video for you guys that might be out there panicking. You might be out there like, oh my God, what do I do, Bob? Like, how do I handle this? How are you handling it? Well, I'm not financial advice, but you never lose until you actually sell. Number one, keep that in mind. Okay. Now, if you went all in with whatever you had and you made a mistake, and we all have, I've done it. Okay. I didn't know about dollar cost averaging 4 years ago when I got into crypto. So if you're new into crypto and, for example, you spent it all anyway, listen, not financial advice, but you don't lose until you actually sell. You understand? And if you say, oh, well, I'm going to sell here and then buy when it goes down, well, stuff like this can happen. Okay, stuff like this can happen. Do you see the volatility here, you guys? I mean, I'm talking about thousands of dollars of volatility. 43, now we're dumping back down to 40. Okay, so we don't know. No one can call the top. No one can call the bottom. All we can do is not financial advice, but dollar cost average what I'm doing, and I'm just holding. Okay, I'm just holding because I believe in the long term for Bitcoin. Okay, now if you guys like the video, please make sure that you guys like, comment, consider subscribing so you can hear the truth about crypto. Okay, this is the truth, but can you handle the truth? If you can handle the truth, this channel is for you, from a real person, a real guy that's out here just like you guys are, trading on a day-to-day basis with no bots involved, none of that involved, just me and and you, just me and you. That's all it is, just us, ladies and gentlemen. Peace and love. I appreciate you guys watching the video, and I will see you tonight on the live stream at midnight Eastern Standard Time. All right, peace and love, baby.